Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best electric drills that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and updated prices, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the VIWKO Cordless Drill Set. This budget-friendly option is perfect for DIY enthusiasts looking for a reliable tool without breaking the bank. With a 20V power pack and 2.0 amp-hour battery, this drill offers solid performance for light to moderate household tasks. What sets it apart is its impressive 25+1 torque settings, delivering up to 370 inch-pounds of torque. This versatility allows you to handle a wide range of applications, from woodwork to drilling into lightweight metals. The design is ergonomic, featuring a rubber-wrapped handle for comfort during prolonged use. The built-in LED light is a thoughtful addition, illuminating your work area in dimly lit spaces. Additionally, the drill comes with a generous 42-piece accessory kit, including drill bits, screwdrivers, wall anchors, and extension tools, perfect for tackling various DIY projects right out of the box. However, it's not without its drawbacks. The drill speed maxes out at 750 RPM, which might feel limiting for those needing faster drilling. Also, the build quality, while decent, doesn't quite match more premium models. Still, for the price point of $27.99, it's hard to beat the value this drill offers. Ideal for casual users and beginners, the VIWKO Cordless Drill Set is a solid entry-level option. At number 4, we have the Aliexpress Cordless Drill Set. This is the most affordable drill in our lineup, priced at just $24.99. Despite its budget-friendly price, it packs a decent punch with its 12-volt motor and 21+1 torque settings, delivering up to 180 inch-pounds of torque. The compact design and lightweight build make it a great choice for easy, one-handed operation, especially for light DIY tasks like drilling into wood, plastic, or soft metals. The Aliexpress drill comes with a rubber grip for enhanced comfort and control, along with a built-in LED light that ensures visibility in darker workspaces. The package includes a variety of accessories like drill bits, a magnetic flexible shaft, and a screw anchor set, adding significant value for beginners or those who need a versatile starter kit. It's also ideal for tight spaces thanks to its compact dimensions. However, its low maximum speed of 650 RPM and limited torque make it unsuitable for heavy-duty applications. Additionally, the build quality is clearly aimed at casual users, so professionals might find it lacking. Still, if you're on a tight budget and need a reliable tool for basic household repairs, the Aliexpress Cordless Drill is a great pick. Taking the third spot is the Deco Pro Cordless Drill. This 20-volt drill is designed for DIY enthusiasts who need a reliable tool for home repairs and light construction projects. Offering 2 variable speed options, 0 to 350 RPM and 0 to 1350 RPM, and 18+1 torque settings, it provides ample control and precision for a wide range of tasks. The 1.5 lithium-ion battery ensures decent runtime, and the compact, lightweight design, just 2.5 pounds, makes it easy to maneuver. The Deco Pro drill comes with a comprehensive accessory kit, including drill bits, screwdriver bits, nut drivers, and a magnetic bit holder. This makes it a versatile choice for tackling basic drilling and fastening jobs. Its ergonomic handle and lightweight build reduce fatigue, and the variable speed settings allow for better control during operations. On the downside, the maximum rotational speed of 1350 RPM might not be sufficient for heavy-duty applications, and the overall build quality feels more suited for casual use rather than professional-grade work. Additionally, the price isn't readily available, which could be a concern for some buyers. But if you're looking for a mid-range drill with solid features, the Dayco Pro Cordless Drill is worth considering. Coming in at number 2 is the Black Decker 20V Max Cordless Drill Driver with 30-piece accessories. At $69.99, this drill strikes a balance between affordability and performance, making it a popular choice among homeowners. With a maximum rotational speed of 750 RPM and 24 clutch positions, it offers great control and precision, helping to prevent stripped screws and overdriven fasteners. The included 30-piece accessory kit equips you for most household projects, including drilling and fastening tasks. The ergonomic design features a soft grip handle for added comfort during extended use. Its lithium-ion battery holds a charge for up to 18 months, which is perfect for occasional users who don't want to worry about constant recharging. The compact build makes it easy to store and transport, and the drill's durability ensures it can handle light to medium-duty tasks with ease. While the Black Decker drill is versatile, its maximum speed and torque are limiting factors for heavy-duty applications. Professionals might find it lacking in power compared to higher-end models. However, for DIYers and homeowners looking for a dependable drill at a reasonable price, this model is a fantastic choice. And finally, at number 1, we have the DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Drill Driver Kit, DCD771C2. This premium option stands out as the best electric drill in our lineup, thanks to its superior performance, durability, and versatility. The high-performance motor delivers 300 unit watts out of power, making it capable of handling a wide range of applications, from light DIY tasks to heavy-duty drilling. With 2 speed settings, 0 to 450 RPM and 0 to 1500 RPM, and 650 inch-pounds of torque, this drill is ready for anything. The design is compact and lightweight, allowing it to fit into tight spaces with ease. It includes a single-sleeve ratcheting chuck for secure bit gripping, and the ergonomic handle ensures comfort and control during extended use. Plus, the drill comes with 2 lithium-ion batteries and a charger, keeping you powered up and ready to go at all times. Its 3-year limited warranty provides peace of mind, making it a reliable investment for professionals and serious DIYers alike. The only downside is the price. At $99, it's the most expensive drill on this list. However, if you're looking for premium build quality and top-tier performance, the DeWalt DCD771C2 is worth every penny. Whether you're a contractor or just someone who wants the best tool for the job, this drill won't disappoint. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.